Okay, you guys wanted us to do a trial and video on what we think of the Simply Harmony Farms Uncapper. It is really good construction. This stainless and this polyurethane or plastic or whatever it is really good. We had to build a rig because every time you push down on this thing, the sink would move, and every time you pull up on it, the whole thing wants to come up. So we built this little wooden rig to hold it steady and hold it down. And Joanne has been in here for how long? Like 5-10 minutes, and already uncapped all these frames. So Joanne,
Hey.
now last year you did hot knife.
Yes,
And what do you think of the Simply Harmony Farms Uncapper?
it's amazing.
You think it's amazing?
Yeah.
And you're just whipping through those frames.
Yeah, this is like so much easier.
So the only downside was we had to affix it to something because you're applying pressure down and you're also applying pressure when you pull it out. But one swipe did both sides, and we're and then we've got in the bottom of the sink we've got a bucket with a paint sock filter in it, one of these guys, these paint filter from Home Depot. Actually, I think that one we have in there is actually a honey one, but same thing. And you like it, huh?
Oh, it's so much better.
And you're through a box in like 5 minutes,
Yeah,
and it saves you a lot of time,
a lot of time.
and it's easier on the arms.
And yeah, but I'm not going to get that huge right arm.
You're not going to get the huge right arm.
Like last year. I was had a huge right arm.
All right, well that's pretty cool. So our first impression is we're impressed. You know what? I watched a guy online do 75 frames in 20 minutes, and Joanne's just into her second box after 5 minutes. So I guess it's working really well. It smooths out our whole process, and we're not gonna get the capping wax we did last year, but it's just like the cleanup is gonna be so easy, and this is amazing. So there you go. That's from Meadowlily Farm and Ontario Bee Rescue. Hope you all have a wonderful day.
Okay.
Look at that. That's gorgeous.
One
Isn't that nice?
after?
Give her.
Okay.
Last one. Here you go. Squeeze it in. And
I was getting nervous because I was on camera.
you're getting nervous because you're on camera. Okay. And that's it. Ta-da. Uncapped. Into the extractor. Nice. We're liking it. Thumbs up. The first honey of the season. Wow. And end of the season. So what a difference with that uncapper. Like when we did the hot knife, when we poured it out into the filter, it was full of wax.
Yeah, it took
It
a
was
long
full
time.
and full of wax. This is amazing. You know, because it's a great tool. That uncapper is amazing. And for anybody that's never done this, or you're getting into it and you're new and you're looking at buying equipment, that Harmony Farms Uncapper is a winner. And whatever, it doesn't matter what extractor you buy, make sure you buy a radial. Don't even think twice about it. Always get a radial. It takes out both sides at the same time. You don't have to turn it around. It's way smarter way to use. It's a better tool for your beekeeping. That is amazing.
It is.
I can't believe the difference. Wow. Wow. So every year we learn something, and this year we learned how to streamline our extraction process. You know, heating up the honey hut here to an ungodly temperature, it really, really helps. Yeah, we're gonna lose a few pounds doing this. That uncapper is amazing, and the radial as opposed to a square bucket extractor. And forget this hand crank stuff. It's you get, you know, it's funny because the proper tools make it a pleasure to do this, and without them, it's the most frustrating part of beekeeping. That is so amazing. Wow, I'm impressed.